Hello everyone, Sim Privet, hola todo. And welcome to Miguel's Adventures. I'm your host, Miguel Montana. Ooh, it's getting deep. You might be asking yourself, how cold is it? It's about 16 degrees Fahrenheit. You also might be asking yourself, why are you in the water with a chainsaw? Well, for humorous purposes, I would like to say, humoristic purposes, yeah. There's a beaver dam over here, and damn it, I gotta undam it. And also because I can. I live wild and free, and this is what I do when I can. So without further ado, I'm going to slowly work my way over here. The silt is no joke. You got to really watch your step because you can get in a bad spot. With a chainsaw, that ain't very smart. Yankees. Yo. The silt is easily like 3 feet deep, no problem. You can get in a bad spot if you're not too careful. Taking too big of steps or too hard of steps. It's like quicksand, but maybe not as bad. Baby steps out the water. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Every bit helps. And do know you are appreciated. I'm going to bump it up probably about another 40 yards. I got a bigger dam. Damn it.